We used to be a typical BS everyday software company. Developers, project managers, chief cat officer.
What?
You get it. Building enablement and documentation used to be a pain. But who's gonna pay for software they don't know how to use, right? And our training for employees and partners wasn't any better. It was interesting.
Clean code, clean mind.
Clean mind.
We tried building our own training environments ourselves. But that was BS.
You know what else is BS? Planning a 3-day user conference in Vegas, and they still don't understand our product. The only thing they remember is our speaker sunburn. Hey, how's your trip? Painful.
BS means before Skillable. Skillable lets us build hands-on experiences for learning, enablement, and validation of technical skills.
We can create custom labs of our software that match on-the-job experiences. So our customers and our partners can practice their skills without breaking anything. Skillable gives us performance-based insights, which is so much better than watching some BS video and guessing at multiple choice questions.
I passed?
And when you're done, you don't get some BS certificate. Labs don't lie. Skillable gives us real skill validation, so everybody knows what they need to know. You know?
Oh, I know.
Plus, the labs are super scalable, and they're easy to update and deploy, even during quick software updates, or as part of integrating into other training ecosystems. So we're saving a fortune on dev and maintenance costs, and on monitors. That's bull. Sarah, BS doesn't mean that. It means before Skillable. Sorry, it's our first day.